Hi, my name is Louise. I'm from Kianda School in grade 6, and today I'm going to be talking about invertebrates. Invertebrates are animals without backbones. Examples of vertebrates are things like, let's say, insects, arachnids, worms, and many more. Examples of insects are things like flies, and they're mostly things with 6 legs, like flies, butterflies, beetles, and ants. Insects have 3 body parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen, and they usually have antennae. Arachnids are things like spiders, mites, and ticks. They have 8 legs, or you can say like 4 on each side. So arachnids only have the head and the abdomen. Now there are things like worms. Worms don't have legs or antennae or like anything, so there is not much about them. Then you have things which are like millipedes. Millipedes can have from, I think, 80 to 150 body segments. They usually have like legs, and milli stands for a million, meaning they could have 1,000,000 legs. Then things like centipedes. Centipedes are very poisonous, and they usually have like around 50 legs to 100. That's why they have centi, and centi means 100. So that's all I've got to say about invertebrates. Thank you, bye.